Hey guys, so what we have here is going to be an unboxing video of my brand new M3 Apple iMac. And this one I basically special ordered through Apple, even though I got the blue one, of course. So the reason I had decided to get me a brand new iMac was because it was time to upgrade my old trusty 2017 iMac that was getting there up in age, and I already got my money's worth out of that computer, and it was time for that computer to retire. So I went on that. I had saved up a good bit and waited for the M3, that iMac, to come out, so I decided to go ahead and get one. Plus to kind of keep up with the time, so of course, this is the box and the illustration I got you guys on the tripod. I don't know if you guys can see it that well. So let's see how I know you got one of them these little things you gotta pull open. Because I know Apple's been using this little thing for lately on their newer products. So let's see how you open this. We'll just set that trash to the side. Nothing here. So I see you got this little swing. This swings out. This swing out. I know this may not be the greatest unboxing video, so just bear with me. Let that rest up on here. So we got the computer itself, which I'm gonna set that to the side for now. Oops, sorry about that. So we got here's the keyboard and mouse. So this is I got the keyboard with the numeric keypad this time when I bought my new iMac. It's even got the Touch ID, which is kind of quite nice. We'll set that over to the side. And of course you do get the USB-C to lightning cable. But we're definitely going to need that to charge our keyboard and mouse. And you got the Magic Mouse, of course. Set that over to the side for now. You got the 1/2 of the power cord. And we'll put that politely to the side. And you got the main portion of the power supply. And I opted for one that has the Ethernet port, so in case if I decide to hook up to an my computer to Ethernet, I could be able to use the Ethernet port. Oh, and here's the documentation that usually comes with this. Which you even get a blue Apple sticker, which is kind of quite nice. And you got the little quick start guide, which I know for a fact nobody hardly ever reads that. We'll put this back in there for now. And I'm gonna be right back. And once I get, once I get all this, get the computer on the table. All right, since I'm back from getting everything put up to the side, all the trash and I've got one more thing we're gonna have to take off is this little plastic. Since I got the power cable all situated, so we'll go ahead and unveil the computer itself. Do this carefully. Trying to get to where you guys can see it because I got y'all sitting on the tripod. It doesn't look too bad in person. So let's go ahead and show you the back. Which you got your 4 USB-C ports and you got your main power port. Main port for the power supply. So let's go ahead and of course it's magnetic. Nope, don't want it. You should have a headphone jack right here onto the side of the computer. Let's go ahead and tuck all this in. Put my phone back on my desk. So let's go ahead and plug it in and experience the first boot up. Alright, the first moment of truth is the first, you get to see the first boot. Pretty neat. So of course we got our mouse turned on, our keyboard. Pretty impressive. Alright, we're going to select English. United States, of course. We'll set that, we ain't going to mess with that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything fully set up and yeah. We'll get everything fully set up so it'll go along well with my M1 MacBook Pro if I can open it up all I want. So yeah, good to have another computer in the Mac family. So with that being said, let me go ahead and end this video and I'll talk to you guys later and let me go ahead and get this thing fully set up and thanks for watching.